Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 3008 GT Line Premium. This car comes with a superb specifications and you have got a lot of features with the car. That includes things like satellite navigation, front and rear parking aids including a rear colour camera. You've also got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, dual zone climate control along with front heated seats, and you've even got this lovely panoramic glass roof above the head. Let's take a quick look around the vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.